Hello, hi, welcome to the vlog. I'm Sofa. Welcome. If you're new here, I make vlog content, but I also do book content or talk about books. But for this, it's gonna get vlog content stuff. Yes. Also, I got an Instagram. I have an Instagram now. I'm Instagrammies. So it's my name, Soph underscore Sofa underscore Insta. So Soph underscore Sofa underscore Insta. Cause Instagram, I'm so creative. But yeah, if you like this video vlog thing and you want to see more behind the scenes pictures, check out the Instagrams. Yeah. Also, I got a Spotify for you guys. So there's a Spotify playlist with some good jams. You can find them in the description of probably this video, but also in my description, like, welcome to the channel. Yeah. So there are all the links, and I will of course put the Instagrams in the end of the video and that jazz too, so it's easy and accessible for you guys. So yeah, doing all the posting, learning the things, different websites. Heck yeah. But with all that further ado, plugging all those stuff in, we're gonna head out, enjoying the summer weather, and yeah, bits and bops. I've been talking for way too long. Let's go outside. Okay, see you there.
When you're out, tell your lucky one to know to leave. Don't you like when you're fleeing? I like not to hear keys. Only hold till your coffee warms, but don't hurry to speed. Once a time, put a time in your ear on the beach, and your clutch clean heat.
Hello, hi, Sophia checking in. How you guys doing? What's up? I'm currently editing. I recorded a video that's over like 50 minutes long. 50. So this is taking me a while. I think I am 5 minutes in so far. But it's a pretty funny one, book video thing. So let's see how it turns out. So I'm gonna get back to my editing and do that. No, not so much walking outside today, but gotta get the editing done. You can see the reflection of my glasses. Yeah. Doing this stuff now, and then I will film and show you guys more stuff outside. I'm planning on taking a little detour, a little day trip actually, so that will be fun, and then discover new places all together. Yes. Okay, see you guys outside.
I wanna be somebody. Me 2.0 for you. And when you meet somebody, you're gonna feel the same way I do. I'm gonna say I love you before you say I'm gone. And when that check comes through, I'm gonna prove you wrong.
Hello, hi. Sophia, checking in from the sofa. What? I know. I just want to share that, like, I'm so grateful for the weather and the nature we have here. I know I'm doing the Scandinavian thing where I complain about the weather. Like, I can go out whenever I want. I don't have to think about the pollution, or like I have to stay indoors some days because it gets too crowded, or like you have such a freedom here, which I appreciate so freaking much, you know? And I'm so lucky to have that. And also like how accessible nature is here and how much greenery it is. I feel so lucky to have that. So yeah, I just wanted to share like that appreciation for that stuff, because you normally don't think about that too much, but I'm so lucky to have that stuff. And also like it took me a while to understand. I always thought that you couldn't do things for yourself. Going outside by yourself is odd. Like you should always be with someone or plus one, or like you do things together, which you should, but there's nothing weird doing things for yourself, and you should do things for yourself, you know? You are not the only person that's alone out there. There are other people that are lonely too, and you know, just look around and watch other people and you understand that, you know? So that's kind of my approach to being out and doing the things I do. Life lessons with Soph. Yeah, do things that makes you happy. Like do things that you will thank yourself for later. Will this walk make me happy? Will I thank myself later for doing this? And if it's a yes, do it. You know, just do it. And there's nothing wrong with being like a tourist in your own country or your own city or your own town. You are allowed to rediscover things and find things and do touristy stuff. Nothing wrong with that. It's all up to you, baby. Just wanted to share all these thoughts and blab a little bit with you guys. Let's keep on heading out. Thank you for listening to me rambling. Okay, let's go outside and discover more awesome things. Yes!
In a market, in a desert, you'll remember why you came here. There's a couple pictures of you laughing, gripped tight to raffle tickets. I've got memories, but I'm slipping. You left some people in here wondering if you'll stay here or not. You wanna make some money, give a kid to dad when he has somebody.
Hello, good morning. It's morning for me at least. Yeah, I'm just waking up and chilling, listening to the rain. It's raining outside. Can you guys hear this? Anyways, I think it's super cozy to hear the rain outside and have a window open. So I'm doing that now. When it's clearing up, I'm gonna go outside for a little jog. my weekly jog. So just chilling now, gonna prep some lunch boxes and doing all that stuff. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Such a wonderful week, such wonderful weather. I'm so lucky to be able to be out like this and film this stuff and show you guys this stuff. It's freaking nuts. Have a great week, and yeah, I'm gonna help out a friend with their cat onwards a little bit here, so I might not film as much as I used to do. We will see. I will probably watch a bunch of movies as normal. I have so far watched Get Out, or rewatched Get Out, the Jordan Peele movie, which is great. Such a dark comedy thriller vibes and really makes you think about stuff. So I watched that, and then I also watched Last Night in Soho, and it's like a horror movie or a spooky spooky movie that takes place in London, and this girlie travels back in the 60s in her dreams, and then the dreams becomes kind of merged with her reality, and weird stuff happens. But I liked it. I liked it. So yeah. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and keep having a wonderful summer. Okay. Bye-bye.